everyone, for today's guided meditation, we are going to do a technique called cue words meditation. And this is a meditation where I will utilize a couple of different cue words to help you to relax and sink deeper into the piece that this activity will hopefully give you. So to start, go ahead and get into a comfortable position. You can sit or you can lay down somewhere and take a couple of deep breaths. One more. Now I'm going to use the words breathe and relax throughout this meditation to help you to integrate more deeply into this particular mindfulness activity. So first, when I say relax, notice which body part I name next and just notice yourself relaxing that body part as I say each one. So for example, relax your feet and let your feet droop and relax and shake all the tension out of it. Now relax your calves. Same thing, notice that body part relaxing. Relax your knees. Relax your thighs. Relax your bottom. Relax your hips. Relax your stomach. Relax your lower back. Relax your upper back. Relax your chest. Let all that tension go. Relax your shoulders. Relax your arms. Relax your hands and fingertips. Relax your neck. Relax your head. And now, as I say breathe, you're going to breathe in. And when I say relax, you're going to exhale out. Breathe, relax. Breathe and relax. A couple more times. Breathe and relax. And one more. Breathe and relax. And just remember that anytime you want to return to this exercise, you can start this recording over or take your own time, take your own pace, extend as much as you like, using these cue words to get different body parts to relax and to help with your breathing. And let's take one more deep breath together and come back into the room. So breathe and relax. So how was that for you? I really enjoyed this exercise because it's simple, to the point, and really gets you to use those cue words to relax even more. Curious to hear what you think? I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.